How to use CapCut to stop motion videos. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and today I will show you how you can do this. So to do this, first of all, make sure you go on the Google Play Store of your device. After going on the Google Play Store, on the search bar, you can simply search for CapCut. And if there is any update option available, then you can simply update your CapCut application. If not, then you can simply open the CapCut that you have already installed in your device. Since I've already installed CapCut in my device, I will normally open it. Choose one video by tapping on the new project, and on the down right section you will see there is an edit option. Scroll at the right side and you will see the option of side. Now just choose on velocity. Now simply choose any of the motion option that you like, and after tapping on it you can change it and adjust it as you want. Tap allow. So it depends on your internet connection how much time it takes for you to solve this problem right here. So after detecting, it will show you can also adjust the video. By doing this, you can simply stop motion videos like that. So yeah, do try it on your own and see if this works or not. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on the comment section below.